Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Destin, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving within Destin, Florida, here are some ways our Destin local movers can help you move within the city. We have customized moving plans tailored to your unique needs, including packing and unpacking services, furniture disassembly and reassembly, and transportation services. We have high-quality packing materials and equipment to ensure the safety of your belongings during the move. We offer flexible scheduling options to fit your schedule and minimize disruptions to your daily routine, and competitive pricing and transparent billing ensure you know what you're paying for and why. If you plan to move out of Destin, Florida, you'll need a long-distance moving company to handle the job. Long-distance moves require more planning, coordination, and resources than local moves. Here's what you can expect from our Destin long-distance 3 Movers. We will work with you to create a tailored plan that meets your unique requirements. Long-distance moves can be expensive. At 3 Movers, we offer competitive pricing and transparent billing. We provide you with a tracking system so that you can keep an eye on your belongings while they're at transit. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Destin moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.